Hey guys, it's Charisma Mom, and so today I was going to talk to you about my Ipsy bag. Hey guys, it's Charisma Mom. So I was going to talk to you about my Ipsy bag and my Ipsy subscription. I actually canceled my Ipsy subscription. I just have not been satisfied with what they've been sending me. I totally understand that it's going to be sample size deluxe samples. I understand that. But you know, at the very beginning, they have you fill out like this survey to kind of, you know, what kind of things that you like. And this is my third bag. And the first two bags, they literally sent me the exact same eyeshadow twice. And the first time that I got the eyeshadow, I did the reviews and I said, you know, hey, I don't like this eyeshadow. It was a loose powdered eyeshadow and it was kind of like a kind of bold coppery gold. And I just typically don't use those colors, which is fine, you know, but so I did say in the review that I didn't like it and that I wouldn't want it again. Next month, I got my second bag and it was the same thing, literally the same brand, the same color, everything. And so I did it again. I put down there, you know, didn't like it. And so this month, this is what I got. So you're supposed to get 5 items. I got a nail polish, which I actually do like the nail polish. If I found a company or like a store that was selling it, I would buy it again. It's called I think Adis, and it's organic infused nail lacquer. I did wear it for about a week and I actually did like it. It lasted fairly well. Then they sent me First Aid's Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum. And then they sent me Painting Therapy Pack by Tony Moly, which I love Korean beauty, but so now that's 2 skincares. And a lipstick, Lord & Berry lipstick. Now, that's it. That's all that's in my bag. So you're supposed to get 5 items. They only gave me 4. This lip color is very similar to the lip color that they have already sent me. So that was kind of frustrating as well. I don't mind the skincare things, but I wish it would have been like maybe 1 more makeup item. Anyway, so with that being said, I did cancel my subscription, and I just kind of want to let you know that canceling the subscription was kind of a hassle. I went in and there's like, you have to kind of hunt and find and peck for it to find like how to cancel it. I found it and I canceled everything, and it asked at the end, like, you know, why are you canceling? And I said, you know, just not really happy with the products and that I've received duplicate products. And then so you hit enter or something like that, and then it says it's going to send an email to you. So I checked my email, it was not in there. I checked my spam, it was not in there. So I thought, well, I'll wait 24 hours. Maybe it has to take 24 hours for them to, you know, fulfill it. Okay. So the next day I didn't check it because we had a wedding we had to go to, and I didn't get home until late that night. So then the following day I go in and I check my email, and there's still no confirmation that my account has been canceled. So I go back through the whole steps. I go back through, I cancel, I tell them why I'm canceling, and it says, you know, email's been sent to your, a confirmation email's been sent to your account. And so I'm waiting and I'm waiting, and so I'm thinking again, you know, maybe it takes 24 hours. So it was very frustrating actually. So I wait 24 hours. So now we're at Monday and still nothing. So finally I was like, all right, I've got to find something. So their customer service is like via Twitter. And so I went through Twitter, you know, said, look, I'm trying to cancel my account. And, they got back to me very quickly. So that I will say that whoever did that side of it was very quick. And then, you know, it's like, well, you need to check your spam folder. That's probably where it went. And I was like, look, you know, I checked my spam folder. It was not in there. And I said, I just want to cancel my account. You know, they're like, well, why? Are you unhappy with it? And I told them the honest, I said, you know, look, you've sent me 3 bags. The first 2, I got the exact same eyeshadow. And the third one, I only got 4 items and 2 of them were skincare. And she's like, well, you know, do you not like skincare? And I said, that's not the thing is, you know, I want different pieces. And so I said, you know, I'm just really like to cancel my subscription. And she was very nice, via text, if you know, because there's no emotion in text. But anyway, then she says to me, she says, well, we don't typically refund any money from a subscription, but since you had challenges with trying to get it, you know, to process, we're going to refund you some of your money. So I looked back through everything, and I may have missed it, but I did not see anything in the terms of service that said if you cancel that you don't get your money back. So word to the wise, if you're looking into subscription companies and they do have a cancellation policy, make sure that you look in there and see what it says. Because again, maybe I missed it, but like I said, I reread it and I did not see anything in there saying that they would keep your money. I don't think that's fair. I think that if you cancel a subscription, and because, you know, they make you pay the whole subscription up front, or you don't have to, that's what I chose to do, that you should be able to get your money back. Because if I can't get my money back, then I'm not going to cancel my subscription. I'll just, you know, does that make sense? Anyway, there are some other companies out there that I'm looking into. I have looked at Birchbox. I have looked at BoxyCharm. So I personally would not suggest anybody to get the Ipsy bag. Right now, Birchbox seems to be the one that I probably will go with. It is a little bit more expensive. However, you do get full-size products, and I like that because if I'm going to spend this money, that's what I want. I want full-size products, and that's my thought on Ipsy. But again, I would not recommend them. And I would not subscribe to them. So anyway, guys, that's my Wednesday review. And Friday, I think we're going to talk about helicopter parents. So hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell, ding, 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 because YouTube is not letting people know when you are uploading unless you have hit that notification button. And tell me in the comments below what boxes are working for you. And we'll talk to you later, guys. God bless.